Shiraz. Hi, Gaurika. Thanks for being with me here. Shiraz, you're a professional who helps digitally transform businesses, but you're also a skydiver. What lessons can companies learn from skydiving?
In skydiving, preparation and simplification is key. Understanding, having a plan, distilling it into its critical part, and then understanding the weather and preparing and checking your equipment before you jump is essential. It's the same in business. You want to make sure you understand the business process. You want to make sure you have the data in place, the right governance, and simplifying your processes is essential before you implement AI or automation.
Gaurika, could you give us a 60-second rundown of what businesses must know about data and AI if they want to stay ahead?
So AI is transforming everything, right? From supply chain to how we work in our day-to-day life, right? As an organization, we need to, figure out the business priorities and then the technological priorities as well as the behavioral change that we want to achieve with them. And then how do we bring in all the governance bits together with it? So that should be part of a holistic plan that we go about in the initial stage. So that's the key thing I think any organization would need to look into when they look at AI.
In your interactions with businesses, have you felt that some are rushing to adopt AI without much preparation? Is that risky?
Yes, it is. We've seen a lot of companies, especially in the US, getting on the AI bandwagon. While it can help with efficiencies when done right, without preparation, AI can produce inaccurate outputs, compliance risks. At Fortude, we've seen businesses that take a structured approach be more successful. We generally help with this using AI assessment tool. It is important to have streamlined access to source data, ensure talent and technology strategies align with business goals.
If you had to create the ultimate digital and AI power move for customers, what would it be and why would it work?
You need to have the right data platform to do this thing. So first, analyze your environment, figure out what are the use cases that you want to, put AI into, and then prioritize that. You need to map it, right? Internally, externally, that mapping needs to happen. And then the technology platform behind it. What is the current platform that you already have? How do you, move forward with other technologies that you want to bring in, right? And then the adoption, right? Can internal users, cope with this? Can they be trained? Or how do you get the external users trained on that? And then the governance. When you have this, sort of a platform where you have multiple AI agents running, other AI-related initiatives running, how do you govern this? How the data is being, extracted by these people, being used in an ethical way? Because you will have the data platform, the analytics platform on top of that, and the AI platform accordingly. So how do you govern that? So entire the stack, the steps would be part of the strategy that you need to come up with. That's how we implement usually. We go about, studying the company and then basically having a holistic plan to adopt AI. So that's the plan that we would recommend.
So Shiraz, Gaurika, what I'm hearing is that it ultimately comes down to preparation, having the right tools, and just trusting the process. Any final thoughts you'd like to share?
AI is not a silver bullet in itself. It succeeds when paired with a business problem. The key is to start small, measure impact, and scale quickly what works. That's how businesses gain confidence with AI and get ROI.
Yes, as Shiraz said, AI is not a silver bullet. We need to have that holistic view of the entire organization and a clear strategy to adopt. I can't stress enough. The strategy is key for proper adoption.
This was really helpful both. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time.
Thank you.